7 vegetables which lose their nutrients when cooked broccoli. Boiling broccoli for extended period can lead to a loss of water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C spinach. Overcooking spinach may result in the reduction of certain nutrients, including folate and vitamin C. Bell peppers. High heat during cooking, especially prolonged exposure, can diminish the vitamin C content in bell peppers. Carrots. Boiling carrots for too long can cause nutrient leaching, leading to a reduction in the levels of water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C. Tomatoes. Extended cooking or processing of tomatoes will reduce the level of certain antioxidants, such as lycopene. Garlic. Garlic, when exposed to high heat for extended periods, may experience a reduction in its allicin content, a compound known for its potential health. Cabbage. Prolonged cooking of cabbage can lead to loss of water-soluble vitamins, including vitamin C. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Healthy food, healthy mind.